children, the quadratic equation how to solve by using completing square method already we see in my previous session. The same equation today I am going to consider, but the way is totally different. One more way in the textbook you will have, we have to solve the quadratic equation, means given quadratic equation by using formula method. Actually children, there are three ways to solve the quadratic equation. One way already you studied in the previous class 9th standard by using method of factorization, and the second way is using by completing square method, and the last way is by using formula method. Now in this session I will explain how to solve the given quadratic equation by using formula method. Okay, so what formula we have to use? See, in general, actually the equation, quadratic equation, general way we are going to consider ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general quadratic equation. Okay, so its formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. So this is the formula. By using this formula you can solve given quadratic equation. Now question arises in the mind ki what are ABCs? So first of all we have to consider our given equation. So consider equation as 9x square minus 12x plus 2 that is equal to 0. This is our given equation. We have to compare this equation by comparing this equation with standard form of quadratic equation as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we are going to compare these two equations. So ax square and here is 9x square. Coefficient of x square first of all we have to equate so that you will have a is equal to 9. Now compare coefficient of x as b is equal to minus 12. And the constant term here c is acting as a constant and here 2 is as a constant. So c is equal to 2. Means you got children value of a, b, c and already you know the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. So first of all we have to find value of b square minus 4ac, means that square root sign we will find. And remember children, b value of b you should keep always in the bracket as it is minus 12 square minus 4 into a into c. Now you know square is always positive, though it is minus 12. Minus 12, the square is 144, 12 12s are 144, but it is positive. Minus 9 4s are 36, 36 2s are 72 and the value will be 4 minus 2 will be 2, 72 plus 72. So what you got? B square minus 4ac, value of this term will be equal to 72. Now consider this equation, x is equal to, write once again, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Now we have to substitute all the values. So x will be equal to minus, just I told you b is always in the bracket. What is our value of b? b is minus 12. So it is minus of minus 12 plus or minus square root of what? 72 divided by twice of a. What is our value of a? A is 9. So here is 9, means x is equal to minus of minus becomes plus, and split 72 as 36 twos are. One of the number should be perfect square, है ना? And here is 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. Now simplify it. Square root of 36 will be 6 here. 6 root 2 upon 18. I think 6 is common. From the 6 and 12 we are going to take 6 as a common. So 6 twos are 12 plus or minus root 2 and upon 18. So reduce the quantity. 6 ones are 6 and 6 threes are. Means finally you got the answer as x is equal to what? 2 plus or minus square root of 2 upon 3. Means the solution set will be equal to 2. First consider positive sign, 2 plus root 2 upon 3, comma, now minus we have to consider 2 minus root 2 upon 3. Means you got same answer, but the way was different. Same in my previous session, we solved same quadratic equation, but by using completing square method, the answer was same. 2 plus root 2 upon 3, comma, 2 minus root 2 upon 3. And here in this case, we use formula method. This is our formula method, remember.